So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a section break on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, which I have right now, I'm going to go ahead and just type in the word section break right here. Now if I were to go ahead and press continue or whatever, this middle bar opens up. On the far right hand side of your screen, there's those horizontal lines with the plus icon. Select that. Where it says insert, just scroll down to where it says section break, which I will do right now. It'll then break parts of the second section. So I will just say, I don't know, section 2. If I wanted to add another one, section break right here. I've now brought 3 different sections here, as you guys can tell. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add a section break on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.